theorems also, how the questions will come based on this concept, like sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So first I will prove this theorem, then using that theorem only I'll show some examples how the questions will come and we need to solve them, right? So here theorem is, the statement is sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now when you see the given data, so given data is this, we need to prove. So let me take one quadrilateral, 4 angles. The 4 angles if I add, it should be equal to 360 degree. That is sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D are the vertices of this quadrilateral. So it's a given. So given data is a quadrilateral ABCD. So just only given. So quadrilateral ABCD. So it's given. Now we need to prove. So required to prove. So we have to prove there is angle A plus angle B plus angle C and angle D is equals to 360 degree. So this we need to require to prove. And we need to do some small construction here because to prove the theorem. So construction. So we need to join any one of the, we need to draw a diagonal. So that is, so take a line. So I am joining the vertices B and D. Then there are two triangles because theorem concept is from triangles. So we know sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So using that we will prove this. So here construction is join B to D. So that we did joining. Yes, let's see the proof now. So you know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? So any triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That we know it. So sum of angle. So sum of the angles in a triangle. In a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So when you see here, there are two triangles. Triangle ADB and triangle CDB. So let me take the letters, this angle number 1, 2 and it is 3 and 4. Because angle B means 1 plus 3. Angle D is here 2 plus 4. So angle 2 and 4. Therefore, using this, first from triangle ABD. Okay, from triangle ABD. From ABD triangle, angle A plus and angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees, right? We know it. And similarly, from other side one is BCD. Okay, from BCD, again angle C plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees. And when you do adding of this both equations, like this, let be first equation and second. So 1 and 2 equations I am adding. So that implies LHS and RHS we need to add separately. Angle A plus angle C plus 1 plus 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 and angle 2 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Right? Yes. Now 1 plus 3. So angle A plus angle C as it is, and angle 1 plus 3 is nothing but this is one of the angle in that. So angle 1 plus 3 if you observe, there is angle B, and 2 plus 4 is angle 2 plus 4 is angle D. 1 plus this is B. plus instead of this we can write angle B plus again angle 2 plus 4. So you can observe here these both, instead of angle this both we can write angle D, because angle 2 and 4 is 360 degrees. That's it. Therefore we can write angle A plus B plus C plus D. Sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, right? So 1 plus 3 is B, and this 1 plus 3 is B, and 2 plus 4 is D. That only we are taken. We need to take separate triangle. Just to do the adding of two equations, we will get sum of the four angles of in a quadrilateral is 360 degree.